Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about details and summary tag, and let's see how to use in HTML. So let's start the video. Okay, so I have opened my HTML folder in VS Code. So let's create a new file and let's see what is detail and summary tag and why we use that. Okay, so I'll write details.html and let's start with our HTML basic syntax, which is HTML, then head. Inside that we'll have a title, so I'll write detail and summary, and then we have a body tag. Okay, so let's open this into browser by going with our live server. So it's now open, so let's take side by side view. Okay, so detail and summary tag. So why we use that? That's the first question. So if you see, some of the website will have like navigations. Okay, inside that, if you click, there will be some more navigation. It's kind of drop down. Okay, that we can try to create now. Okay, so first I will do. I'll take nav semantic for navigation creation, and then we can use details tag. Okay, so this is the first tag you have to create, which is details. Inside that you need to have a summary tag. Okay, so let's add it a name as men's. Okay, let's think of some e-commerce website, and once you click that, the categories will come. If you select on men, the men's categories will come. Same thing with the other things. So let's create one more details tag for other one, which is like women. Okay, and one more detail tag, let's create it for kids. Okay, okay, so now you see we have a drop down kind of thing here. You see arrow, if you click arrow it will drop it. Okay, but we don't, as we don't have any data in that, so it's not showing anything. Okay, so we'll add data, but here's the thing. So whenever we want to create something like that, we should be having the details tag. Inside that's the summary tag. Okay, whatever you provide in the summary tag will come as a title over here. Okay, so yeah, let's start adding the data in it. So what I will do is, let's, in after the summary tag, I'll create a unordered list. Inside that, let's have some list items. So first thing I'll do is jeans, and then we can have a t-shirts, and same thing like shirts, and last thing we can have it as shoes. Okay, so you can see like I have copy pasting this with a shortcut. What shortcut we can use is uh, shift plus alt plus down arrow. Okay, with that you can directly copy paste any item you want. Okay, and you want how many times, that many times you just click the down arrow, it will be copy pasted. Okay, that shortcut you can use for that. So now we have the unordered list over here. Okay, so now if you click over here in that arrow, so it will going to drop it, and now you see the data we are seeing over here. Okay, so same thing you can add it for all of that. So I'll just copy this thing and paste it after the summary tag, and for the kids also I'll do the same thing. Okay, so now you see I have added the content unordered list for every details tag. After summary tag I have added. So now if I click over here, it will be visible for each and every one. Okay, so you can see now we have this drop down. Okay, so this kind of navigation you can create, and once you click on the jeans, it will take you to the men's jeans sections. Okay, so that you can take and that you can create actually the files you can create, and then provide a tag, and it will navigate to that. Okay, so that kind of thing you can create with this details and summary tag. Okay, so for the not only for the navigation, if you want to do for some other purpose, you can also use this detail tag, and inside that you can provide the data. So suppose you are showing some kind of data. Okay, some celebrities you are taking. Okay, what you can do is each and celebrity name you can add it, like you can create a detail tag for that, and here you can write a paragraph. Okay, let's try to have some paragraphs here. So I'll write lorem, which is a by default paragraph. So I'll saving this. Let's come back. I have three paragraph. I just did this shortcut, shift alt and down arrow. So it's creating a copy of it. And now if I click men, so I have added this paragraph in men. If I click this, you will see the data is added over here. Okay, so it's not like you only you have to write like unordered list or order list. You can write any type of content after the summary tag. Whatever you write after summary tag, it will be visible once you click on this drop down. Okay, that way. Okay, so now let's see what is single page navigation. Okay, so we saw that how detail and summary tag will be like this is the some detail tag, and inside that we have this men as summary, and inside that we have this list items. Okay, so that way we saw that. Okay, but how to navigate automatically to this page? Okay, so see, I have like this content over here, like single page navigation, and we have this main content. Inside that we have t-shirt and shirt. Okay, also you can see here we have, I have created that men's t-shirt and then men's shirt. Okay, same thing for the women's. Okay, so t-shirt and shirts I have created. So I want it like once I click on this t-shirt, it should be navigating automatically like this. Okay, so if you click on the women t-shirt, it should navigate here. Okay, here automatically. I should not be having like scroll, this scroll I should not be using, it should go automatically. So that you can do with the help of anchor tags. Okay, so in this, let's see how we can do that. I have added content like only paragraph right now. You can add whatever content you want to show for the men and the t-shirts and all. Okay, so let's go back to code and let's see what we have added here. So now you can see we have a header semantic which is representing our heading, and then nav which is having like detail tag, two details tag we have now, and summary as men and women, and then we have list items. Okay, unordered list and list item which having the anchor tags to the href hash in the sense it will navigate nowhere. Okay, it will be pointing to the current page only. If I click on that also, it will not going to navigate anywhere. Okay, so that way. Now let's see how we have content here. We have main tag and we have sections. Okay, all the sections we have, one for men and t-shirt, shirt, woman, and t-shirt, shirt. Okay, so like that we have all the sections over here. So now what I will do now is once you click on this t-shirt, okay, this is men and this is t-shirt. Once you click on this in the application, it should navigate to t-shirt tab. Okay, this is the t-shirt section, so it should navigate there automatically. Okay, so let's see how we can do using the anchor tags. Okay, so here we have anchor tag, so it's for navigation. Href is for navigation, but where to navigate, that we have to define. That you can define within another anchor tag above the heading. Okay, so here I'll create one anchor tag, and let's not write anything inside that because it's only for navigation, right? So we are not showing any content there. But if you want, you can have other names also for this, like top. If you click on this, it will go automatically to top. Okay, that we'll see later, but let's see anchor tag. And then you don't need to write h reference because h reference we already did for the navigation. Once you click there, it should come here. So if I want to take that scroll to here, that time what you have to use is name property you have to use. And let's say as men t-shirt. Okay, this is our name. So let's copy this name, and now what you can do is, so this content we have in a single page, means current page. So that time this hash should be mandatory. After that you can write the name, whatever name you have provided inside this name tag. Okay, so what we are saying is hash mean the current file, and the name we have is men t-shirt. Okay, so there it should be navigate, we are saying. Okay, so let's go back to the application and let's see the navigation. Okay, so I'll just click on this drop down, and if I click on this t-shirt, it should navigate here or scroll here. Okay, we can say. So I have clicked. Now you see men t-shirt, it's automatically navigated. Okay, that way you can do uh, using the anchor tags. Okay, let's do it for all of them, and let's see how it's working. Okay, Okay, so now you can see I have added for all of them href, and also I have created the anchor tag with the name properties for each and every section. So let's go to the web page and let's see how it's navigating. So I'll click on this drop down and let's check one by one. So t-shirt, so it's navigating properly. So let's click on shirt, it's navigating properly. Let's click on again t-shirt. Yeah, it's navigating properly. As you we have the, this is the last scroll, so it's not going completely down. Okay, so that's the reason it is happening like that. Okay, now you see this is also navigating. The again thing is we don't have again like more navigation, so it's only ending over here. Okay, this is the end of the page, that's why it's not completely navigating to this kind of like this much location. Okay, but everything whatever we have done, it's working properly. So if we are clicking on the anchor tag, it's self navigating to the in this single page only. Okay, so this is how we can create single page navigation. Okay, so in this video we saw like how we can use the details tag and the summary tag, and how we can create a simple drop down, and also we saw how we can use anchor tags to use or do a single page navigation. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give a like if you feel this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.